Hello students, this is Akanksha from Divine Institute for Judicial Services. There's a very good news for all the judicial aspirants out there. J&K has notified 69 posts for judicial services. As you can see, they have notified the date of your examination as well, which is going to be conducted on 8th October 2023, as well as they have mentioned the date for your mains examination. अब हमारे पास प्री के लिए बहुत कम टाइम है, so for that we have planned a crash course for you guys, which is going to be conducted within the span of 30 days. This is going to be your tentative schedule for your crash course. It's going to be started from September 5th and it will run till September 4th. Some additional course material will also be provided to you for your help, test series as well. And if you wish to enroll with us for the same, you can contact on the number given below in the description. Thank you.